In this video, we are going to see how we can make sense of adding up infinitely many fractions. Hi, I'm Nick. Give me a follow for more unbridled mathematical adventures. So here we are asked to prove that the sum of k going from 1 all the way to infinity of 1 over k times the quantity k plus 3 is going to be equal to exactly 11/18. So what this means is we start with k being equal to 1. So if k is 1, what do we have? We have 1 over 1 times 1 plus 3. That's 1 over 1 times 4. So we have 1/4. But then this symbol here, capital sigma, means we're adding. So then we have plus, when k is equal to 2, we have 1 over 2 times 2 plus 3. So that's 1 over 2 times 5. So I guess we have 1/10. And then we have plus, when k is equal to 3, we have 3 plus 3, so 6 times 3, so I guess 1/18. And then plus, when k is 4, we can see that every fraction we have is going to be positive, and we're adding this forever. So we're adding positive numbers, positive fractions together forever, and we're told here that in the end of forever, this sum is supposed to be equal to exactly 11/18. That seems crazy. But to prove that this really is true, what we can do is begin by decomposing. So what we mean here by decomposing is we have this fraction. Just look at 1 over k times the quantity k plus 3. And we can say, well, that's going to be equal to 2 fractions. So if we add 2 fractions, we know if we have the same denominators, we can add the tops over that same bottom, right, over that same denominator. So what we can do is we can write some constant, some number a, over that first factor of k plus another constant k over the other linear factor of k plus 3. And then if we were to add these two fractions together, well, we would need the same bottom, right? We need a common denominator. So to do so, we can use the common denominator of the product of k times k plus 3. So to add these fractions together, well, we have a k here, a over k. We can multiply a over k by k plus 3 over k plus 3. And then for b over k plus 3, we multiply by k over k. So we're going to have a times the quantity k plus 3 and then plus b times k, and that's all going to be over times k times the quantity k plus 3. But if we have 1 over k times k plus 3 is equal to this over k times k plus 3, well, then we have 1 over something equals something else over that same something. Well, therefore, since the